The door is open.
Okay, wow.
Just put the purple. Where is it? Nasa no? Bus na? Ito.
Yan. More purple. More purple. Put more purple. Like that. Ah. Oh no! Try eating that here. Eat the purple. Eat the purple one. How do you like it? How do you like it? Cobwebs. Okay.
Hooray, Mommy.
Hooray, mommy.
Alright. I'm gonna make a spider.
Make spider.
Yeah.
Make spider. Tika, titingnan ko nga kung nag... Oh, sit here.
Mommy, mommy.
Yummy, yummy.
Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkain. Ang ganda.
No,
Okay.
no need.
Okay.
Only here.
Only Rio. Talaga naman. Talaga ikaw. I see ya. I see ya. Na-discover na niya na matamis sa ring purple.
Kinain. Gawin ng paano ng spider.
Oh, ang galing ni Mami ah.
Window na, window.
Mommy, mommy, mommy,
Yummy.
yummy,
Yummy.
yummy, purple.
Yummy purple. Oh, more. Diyan na nga, ikaw. Tatapos na ako ng bapi ko. Ano?
Okay.
I know.
Wow. What else? We need a window.
What I instructed you to do on the leak investigation is going to be problem for business, not for you. I'm the one who told you to dump the records when they weren't.
Nom, nom, nom.
How?
I went to Simon Gay's office and sweet talked his assistant and showed him his calendar. The night before one of his stories broke, he was at the Capital Club.
The private jet in Georgetown?
Yes, and at their desk clerk to show him the visitor log. All three journalists who reported the leaked information were signed in with President Moss's office the night before their stories broke. Yes, meaning I didn't break any laws to figure out Moss was behind this, and neither did you.
You showed much better judgment than I did, Joe.
Okay.
Thank you.
You opening the door? Let's make a window.
I'm not just some drone in the basement who toils away on algorithms. Well, I am.
Yummy.
Yummy. You eating it?
The White House.
Cancer, can't stack it.
No, in order for the loyalists to gain the majority, they're going to
No.
fire 2 members of your
Wait.
cabinet. These 8 people
Eating.
so total 15 officers that are remaining to be only 7 people in the public safety.
No.
You wait.
They'll figure out what
Okay, we're gonna put on lips now. This one. Okay. Ay, sinira mo na yung door, anak. Put it here.
No.
Like that. Yeah, you eat it. Don't eat the... Look. Wow. We're done? We're done?
No.
Not yet? Lola, tapos na kami, oh. Lola. Tapos na kami maggawa ng bahay. Tapos na kami maggawa ng bahay. Ay! Sinusubo! Kinain na niya. Kinakain na.
Giyan.
You eat now already.
Put
You
it
eat.
ready.
Oh, you put it already.
Ready.
Right there. Okay.
And that.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Hey, stop.
Oh, sorry. Are you gonna eat it?
It's good.
Tastes good.
Tastes good. He's eating already.
I figured as much.
It tastes good.
Did he eat any of the walls yet?
Not yet.
Tapos meron pa yan sa salita kanina.
So he's eating
Yeah.
Marunong na siya na finish eh.
You know, you can do it, the pumpkins, you can just take a magic marker and make a funny face on them and things like that.
I would like to add to that.
And then take him up to some of those forests where deer hang up, they'll like,
We're not defined by our differences. We're fighting
Oh,
and my response was to fight.
big drum.
And I will continue to
Big
do that.
drum.
I will fight on behalf of the American people.
It wasn't that bad.
It may be not bad, we need a great explain.
We'll take our swings.
In a year without due process, and so
Baka eh, kakupot-put eh, ubus na.
everyone's heard those things. You're going to.
Kung hindi na para din sa lamisa, kita natin. Ibaba din sa lamisa.
House.
Yung chocolate. Ay, hindi kita doon. Wala lang pinagagawa mo.
What are you
Ilagay
doing?
ka na sa plato para hindi malas.
What are you doing, Anna? You eating? You eating the house? Ah, look at your fingers. We show Lola. We show Lola. You show Lola your fingers.
Kaya I taste, and I taste. Yummy. Papa too.
oh, look what you got there, lick your fingers. Lick it off. No. Lick it in your mouth, that's icing. Good.
You want to wash already?
Sorry.
There's a tissue. I will give you tissue. You want to clean? Oh, don't wipe on the chairs.
Are you done, Anna? You done playing with the house? You done eating the house, Theo? Yummy.
It's not possible that people patronize Hamilton and Sons because we safeguard class information. We understand. The next time it comes on the market, I say
Don't put it on mommy's legs. Theo, don't put it on mommy's legs.
we decided to take session.